Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today we're going to unpack a truly brilliant meta-framework for understanding fiat currency and inflation.
So how exactly do you explain inflation? Well, by framing a massive macroeconomic crisis within a primate society.
Let's get right into Section 1, the Primate Economy Guide.
We start right in that lush animated forest where two monkeys meet at a tree. Moving right along to Section 2, the barter problem.
This brilliantly illustrates the absolute friction of early pre-currency trade. Just imagine the scene. One monkey is physically struggling, just sweating under the crushing weight of these giant heavy gold nuggets, while the other monkey watches helplessly as their bananas rapidly rot away into a mushy mess. I mean, trading heavy, permanent objects for temporary perishable goods? It is completely unsustainable.
Which brings us to Section 3, the leaf note solution.
Let's move to and see how this builds, because the source lays out this domino effect of fiat currency perfectly in 3 simple steps. Step 1, a monkey chief steps up and issues leaf notes. Basically, he just invented paper currency. Step 2, the monkeys stop lugging around all that heavy gold and instead start trading these super lightweight leaves. And then, Step 3, the forest economy absolutely booms. They're trading leaves for coconuts, mangoes, elaborate nests, the whole shebang.
But then, things take a turn. Section 4, the inflation crisis.
This is it. This is the exact moment of catastrophe, and really the core lesson of the whole explainer. The chief prints too many leaves. He completely oversupplies the paper currency. Because there are suddenly leaves absolutely everywhere, the value of each individual leaf just plummets. The source is very explicit about the fallout here. Prices immediately skyrocket, trust totally collapses, and the monkeys literally begin to riot. The whole system breaks down entirely simply because that fundamental balance of supply has been destroyed.
If a booming primate economy can turn to complete chaos the second the chief prints too many notes, if trust collapses in the jungle, well, how secure the leaves in your wallet? It's a fascinating framework. It takes this playful animated concept and points it directly at the real-world application of the money we use every single day. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep questioning the world around you.